Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip, right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And man, I tell you what, the well is drying up on these guys. I'm having a lot of trouble finding this. This is a 2011 Ford F750 heavy duty. Now, the reason why I'm having trouble finding this is because we don't sell wore out old junk here. Wait until I show you the miles and the hours on this, you won't believe it. That's why this is so rare. It's hard to find these girls that just aren't all wore out. Now, we just got this in a couple of days ago. I'm showing it to you exactly the way we got it. So, you know what? Yeah, it's got sun faded and all that kind of good stuff, but man, she's straight. Look at this 2011 model. Look at this. I want you to know that we're still sticking with what we always do, guys. We don't sell old wore out junk, but when I find a nice older unit that's in this kind of condition, you just gotta take it. You just gotta love it. You can't find them anymore. 750 XL Super Duty right there. Hey, she's got the chrome grille. She's got the chrome bumper on it. She's got the tow hooks on it right there. Nice little piece. Got a couple strobe lights up there. That one's working. The one on this side isn't flashing. Don't know, don't care. Not gonna do anything about it. It's got little cheater boards on it right there. And this is a rugby body. So on the inside right here, straight little truck right there. Yeah, look at there. You gotta roll up your own windows, man. I'll tell you what, it's just not a Cadillac, right? It's got the high back bucket seat factory. You got your recliner right there. Hey, I see an extinguisher in the back. Deal to you like that. And it's dirty, dusty, but it will clean up, guys. This is clean. Sound system works. That's a AM/FM factory. Seek scan, that's about it. Gotta remember it's an 11. Air conditioning, these are the extra switches for the strobe lights and all that kind of stuff. Air brakes, and you got the trailer air brake down there. That red light is for the PTO. And just so you can see, you see it in the pictures, but I'll just show you right there too. So she goes up and down just like it's supposed to. No surprises there. This has got the hour meter and the transmission temperature right there. Hours 1950. Wow. So, remember I told you about how you're going to be surprised? Look at that. 48,000 miles and less than 2,000 hours. It's got cruise control on it. Delay wipers. You got your tilt wheel right there. Headlights, trailer air brake right there. This is the switch for the air gate. We're going to just go like that so that closes up all the way. Automatic transmission. Allison, we're going to turn him off so I don't forget. I see a trailer brake controller down there. We don't test them, guys, but it's there. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, at least the wiring is there, right? Super little truck. Somebody is going to get a lot of use out of this old girl here and not have to pay the price of a new one. Mercy sakes alive, she's waiting for you. 2011, rated at 33 from the factory. Looks like it was derated, kind of faded right there, but it's been derated down to a 26,000. So you'll get away without CDL on him. Front tires on it are good. And like I say, this is the way we got it off the truck, guys. We have done nothing to it except filmed it because I got about 4 guys that keep telling me they want to get the older trucks. Here you go, it's waiting for you. Give me a call. My phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.